Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents. Introducing our host for today, Mr. Shirley.
Alright, so hi everyone, good afternoon. So did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy because our flying fairy friends are going to show us an amazing tricks, awesome stats, guest participation, important environmental message. And of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. So now the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our flying feather friends? Alright, so to start, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Chris, and to welcome our blue and gold makoning, Amigo. Hi, Amigo. So now Amigo originated from South America, and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo's a responsible bird and he loves to see his environment. Now let's see what Amigo will do. Come on, good bird. Now, up in the beat and jumping inside. And for the second one, buddy, so you pick up the Coca-Cola can. Come on. Up in the beat and jumping inside. And for the last one, now up in the beat and jumping inside. Now see, if the bird can do, why can't we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Well, I guess Amigo together with his flying feather friends has something to tell us. What do you want to say to them, buddy? Come on. So welcome to Cebu Safari's first show now, ladies and gentlemen. From the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle. Hi, Kyle. And Carl. Alright. And wait, there's more. Please come out, buddies. So we have a six blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. And our green wing macaw named Rico. Alright, say hi to the crowd. So macaws are very adaptive birds to whatever environment they are in. It becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. As their diet, they love varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack the hard-shelled nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And of course, macaws are the largest. Okay? Now you can come nobody? Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. And for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Everybody say Jumbo. Louder, say Jumbo. Alright, now Jumbo, please come out, buddy. So here's another green wing macaw named Jumbo. So this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Good bird. Alright, one more, wave at them. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can go up to 3 feet from their head to tail. And their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jump is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Come on, good bird. Alright, last one. Okay, so we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under its wing. Now Jump is going to show his beautiful wings. Everybody say wings.
Wings,
Good bird. Alright, one more, say wings.
wings,
So macaws' feet are like the dactyls, meaning that they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that point backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Chris has a ground nut. He will place it inside the plastic basket and that's our reward for Jumbo. So excited, buddy. So we're using our reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why?
why?
You want to know why?
Why?
Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we'll be having the spelling test. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal pictures: the horse, snake, tiger, camel, and the zebra. And I want you to choose one animal picture, okay? So everybody, what do you want to choose?
Lion.
Other please?
Tiger.
Alright, so I hear tiger with Mr. Gian. So while Mr. Irving is preparing the jumbled letters, let's have a short interview together with Mr. Chris. Now Mr. Chris, good afternoon sir, how are you? Doing great. So what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
This one. years old.
Oh, English and math. So where did y'all go to school?
University of Cebu Safar.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, Mr. Chris, where did y'all originally came from?
South America.
South America, but he loves to stay in the Philippines, right? Alright, now buddy, 5 plus 5 is equal to... Now let's see how good he is at math. First number, come on. Come on, pick it up. Alright, so we pick up the number 1 and for the last number with the good bird, so we pick up 0. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Alright, our round of applause are greatly ni Jumbo. So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and adult volunteers who we have there, our staff, who are ready to he will give you instructions, or this what will you do? Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Sankeyers, buddies friends. See, our birds are free to fly because we didn't clip their wings. So our birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Thank you, buddy. First name, big and dog. Sankeyers are one of the style of birds, meaning that they only have one partner for a lifetime. And if their partner dies, that's the time they'll choose or find another partner. So their lifespan in the wild they can live for around 25 years old in captivity. Alright, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our birds. Are you ready, sir? Okay, now we have here another bird species, our flying lories. Alright, so here are black-cap lories and rainbow lories. So lories are constantly active and noisy, feeding in large group or even in the other company of parrots or other non-eating birds. So approximately 70% of their day is spent feeding, and they will travel more than 48 kilometers a day to find their food. Alright, thank you, buddies. Alright, sir. For now, sir. So, are you ready, sir? So, we have another Sunny named Sunny. Please come out, Sunny. So, Sunny loves money. Normally, in the wild, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Everybody, alright, they fly to Mr. Anthony and get his money. Thank you, Mr. Grace. Buy Sunny and buy 20 pesos. Alright, so that's what you get. This is what you get if you're gonna be the last volunteer. So, sir, my question is, did you enjoy? Alright, so since you enjoyed, sir, wanna do it again, sir? Do you have another money? How about 500? No more. Alright, so we're just kidding, sir. So Sunny is a very good bird and he is very kind. So he will return back your money, okay? Again, stay on the side. Now raise your right arm and open your palm just like this. Alright, so Sunny will return back your money. Just grab the money and not the bird. Alright? Sunny, please come on, buddy. Alright, so can you please return back your money? His money? Come on. Good bird, alright? Give it up, say thank you and bye-bye now. Go to Mr. Chris. Can go now. Don't touch. Just don't touch, sir. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Chris. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, sir. You can now take your seat. Thank you very much, sir. Valley and white mark on their throat that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. As you can see, Mr. Chris has some fruit, so he will toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good he is at catching his food. Good bird. Alright. One more, buddy. Come on. Good catch. So as you can see, their large bill looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light because it is made up of protein and keratin just like our hair and nails. And also their large and colorful bill makes them one of the most popular birds around the world. Okay? So our round of applause, our most handsome tukutuka named Mr. Horn. So since we're in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Miss Jack and Miss Rachel.
Thank you, Mr. Shirley. Hello, everyone. This is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its looking ability and playfulness. Yes, mimic look at the sound what we heard every day. Can you say hi?
Hi.
different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And they also mimic a telephone ringing. For the rooster. How about cat?
And what?
How about the Lani telephone? How about whistle? Again. And also Lani and Rudy, they love to sing, but before they sing, we need to have a warm up first. How about the first song?
Same.
Okay, before the second song with Mass first, who is celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Hi, happy birthday, listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. What is your birthday? Let's go sing a birthday. The rest of us are happy birthday, Lani and Rudy. Come on, please.
Over there, come on. Face the crowd. They want to see your beautiful nails. Good bird. So we have here Mr. Chris. So as you can see, he has the real food or the real prey because hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. So as you can observe, Mr. Chris is wearing thick gloves for the protection of the large and sharp talons of the bird. So the Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the red list of IUCN or International Union for Conservation of Nature and Endangered Species threatened by habitat loss. And also we have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So our round of applause for Philippine Hawk Eagle Hunter. So this moment we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have here three types of lorries, the dusky lorries, chattering lorries, and the blue and red lorries. And to make this moment more memorable, we have their symbol of love.
Oh my God.
Peace. Ivy's all the way from South America. Everybody, don't be shy. Come here at the center, come on. Don't be shy. So before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of the show. So my partner here is Mr. Chris, together with Marina, and to our other bird trainers, Miss Gian, Miss Debbie, Miss Rachel, Mr. Olnick, Mr. James, Mr. Chris, Mr. Ian, and Mr. Irving, and to our soundman up there, Mr. Ricky, and to our volunteer staff, Mr. Reggie, and last but not least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken, all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, my name is Sherby, so I hope you enjoy